Hi guys, and welcome to video about how to make USB cable box and get rid of your cable mess. What you will need is DVD box for your clippers, and you will need mouse USB adapter, and you will need some kind of a box from MP3 or MP4. And first we start with painting our box with some kind of a paint. I used black spray paint to cover up all the letters and advertisements. In the meanwhile, we need to cut out these clippers from DVD box. I will use my razor blade knife to cut them out. It won't be easy, and you need some patience to do it. Now when I cut them out, they look like this, and they will use for holding our USB cables inside our box. We need to saw this part from USB mouse adapter. We don't need it, and this is the only part that we need for our box. So let's start with our hot glue. We need to glue all the clippers inside our box so they could hold our USB cables in place. Glue all the clippers inside your box. If you have bigger box, do with more clippers. Bigger is better, but I found only this one. So now put some of hot glue on the USB adapter. It will use for holding our USB flash drive, because I always have trouble with finding it around, so I will put it right over here and always know where it is. Well, this is how it looks. In the meanwhile, I glue it on the table, and I put one of the USB flash drives in it. So this is like a holder and clippers for my cable. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe, rate, comment, or anything. Bye till next time.